Hi dearest, today we would be learning how to make this trendy turban design as a headband, and it's in our money making series for seamstress and millionaire. But before we dive into today's tutorial, let's find out who won our last game challenge. It is Omolara, yes, and slogan. Please do contact us via the Eventcraft Academy reception link in the description box to pick up your free fascinator class. Congratulations! Let's dive into today's tutorial. First thing I did was to measure out the band in front, and that was 16 by 4 inches. And then the material for the cloth where the elastic is going to be inside was 13 by 2.5. Okay, then I folded it on the wrong side. The two of them, I folded them on the wrong side along the long length and took it to the sewing machine to sew it down. The next material that I cut out was for the loops, and that was 3 inches by 16, and cut 2 pieces of that because I'm going to be having two loops. The width is 3.5 because I will be putting in stiff crinoline inside, and this stiff crinoline measures 1 inch by the width, so we added the extra for allowance. You know, that's 2 inches, then extra 1 for sewing allowance. We would be sewing them as we did the previous. Do you understand? Okay, then the next step was to cut out the cinnamon leaves. I made 3, 1 large one which I'm showing you how I cut at the moment now, and 2 small ones. So after you have cut, the next thing you do is to fold the edges round. Keep watching and learning. Please note the links to purchase items used in making this trendy turban design as a headband would be in the description box below. While you're watching, I would like to inform you that the Eventcraft Academy is giving her end of year super sales on all available classes ranging from fascinators, turbans, brooches, Miss class, and the big one, crinoline masters class. You don't want to miss it. For details, please do click the Eventcraft Academy reception link in the description box below. Then I cut the big leaf that I made into 2 and folded the edge like so. The same way that I folded the previous ones, just like that, folding it twice. Okay? Did you get that? Right, the next thing you want to do is to iron all the folds down. Keep watching and learning. Yeah, you can see I'm using another material on top of it so that it doesn't melt. Then I'm pulling it. When you pull like that, it kind of gives it or fold it, makes it to fold or shape it like that. Alright, so keep watching and learning. If you are gaining value from this video so far, please do give me a thumbs up. Next, you turn all the materials you have sewn right side out. I tried to use my hands, but man, it was too slow, so I decided to make use of the fast process, which is with the use of the safety pin. I'm sure you have seen where I showed you how to do that, but you can watch it here also. Alright, keep watching and learning. Now I would be putting the stiff crinoline into the 16 by 3 inches piece. Remember that I cut out 2 of them. Keep watching and learning. You want to make sure that after folding, you turn the sewing to the midpoint like so. And then we're going to be folding it like this and sewing it. But before that, what I did was to get the edges of the two of the material at the edges and sew the crinoline into the material so that it doesn't move out. So that's what I'm doing right now. So keep watching and learning. If you haven't subscribed to this great channel of Mind Event Craft, I think you need to do that right now. So click that subscribe button and also the bell so you get notified when I put up new trainings. And you need to get that bell on so that you don't miss being a winner to attend any of our classes in the Event Craft Academy for free. Okay, so next I fold the two edges into the middle and I sew to form kind of a bow. Alright? Keep watching and learning. You can use the safety pin also to push the crinoline fast out of the material like I just did. Really works very fast. Okay, now to get the exact elastic band to use. Remember the front band is 16 inches long. The little girl's head circumference for this the headband is 21. So I cut out 5 inches of the elastic band and put inside the 13.5 by 2.5 inch material using a safety pin to make it easy. So I'm stretching it to say that it goes or can go longer than that. Do you understand? As in to the length of the material. So I'm going to make use of a safety pin right now and push it through the 13.5 by 2.5 inch material. Keep watching and learning. Okay, that done, you want to fold the material on the elastic band and sew it down. I did this to the two edges. Keep watching and learning. Then I took the 16 by 4 inches material, folded the edges inside like so, and I sewed the material with the elastic band to it on both sides, ensuring that the thread does not show. Keep watching and learning. Once that was done, I placed it on the mannequin head to get the position that I want to put the bow. Now I want mine on the side, you can want yours on top, but I wanted the side to look exactly like that trending design. Okay, that trending turban design. So I sewed the bow right there. Okay, keep watching and learning. Alright, yeah, the second bow. Then I placed the second bow on top of that one and started sewing as well. After I was done with that, ensure you sew all round though, so that the bowl is sitting perfectly on it and ensure that the threads are not strained by the sides. The next thing I did was to sew the leaf. Now you want to keep watching and see how I sew the leaves to form the pattern that you saw in the design in the YouTube thumbnail. So keep watching and learning. After I finished sewing them into position, I took out materials that I cut out from the lace, and I used it to, decorate the leaves, and also to cover up the threads that were showing. Okay, what I'm doing right now is just twisting up the tips of the leaves so that they don't get tangled into anything. So keep watching and learning. Now to our game challenge for today. What series does today's video on how to make the trendy turban design as a headband belong to? Yeah, the winner is going to be picked randomly, just one winner, and that winner will attend our very first class in the Vent Craft Academy, which was our brooch class 1, for free. Keep watching and learning how we decorate the cinnamon leaves of our trendy turban design as a headband. Do you love this headband design? Then you want to check out this other video here as well.